Welcome back, everyone. In our last episode, we went over how to set up a Lightroom catalog, and we have that open here. And in this episode, we're going to go over how to start an import and then how to select the images you'd like to import. So picking up where we left off, we have Lightroom open, and you can see that we have this nice message from Adobe right in the middle of the screen that says, click the import button to begin. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go down to the lower left hand side and we're going to click import. A new window is going to open up, and this is split into 3 different panels. So we're going to go over each one of these in detail so you fully understand what this all means. So for this episode, we're going to start out on the left hand side, and this is where you're selecting your source for your images. Basically, you're telling Lightroom, this is where my images live, this is where you can get them from. You can see there are different options here. We've got a hard drive, I've got a couple of external drives and backups. So what you're going to want to do is, if you click on this up top, select a source, you can, these are like kind of quick links to places that images would normally be or video files would normally be. There is an option here to include subfolders. If you come down here and say I want to just navigate this way, you definitely can. Just click down through like you would any other computer system file trying to find that. And again, we have that include subfolders here. So both of these are accomplishing the same thing, it's just a little bit different format. So it's up to you if you want to use this top menu or if you want to just click through at the bottom and find what you need. Again, you can select to include subfolders if you'd like. For me, it doesn't matter, I don't have a subfolder within my folder where my files live, but maybe you do and you don't want to include all those, so you would uncheck that. So now that we have selected where our images are, you can see there's a little arrow here showing that this is what you're looking at, and all of the images show up in this middle panel. So that's actually what we're going to cover in the next episode. Again, we want to keep these short and sweet. So that is basically the summary of your left-hand panel here in the import window. And yeah, we'll cover this middle panel next time. Hope to see you then, and please remember to subscribe.